Introduce highlight features and summary overview of WHOLESUN 3000 PSI Pressure Washer Electric 1.8 GPM High Powerful Power Washer 14.5 amp. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. WHOLESUN 3000 PSI Pressure Washer Electric 1.8 GPM Highlight Features or Overview Summary. WHOLESUN 3000 PSI Pressure Washer is a modern high-pressure washer designed specifically for outdoor cleaning jobs such as washing cars, bikes, tools, and garden furniture. The cleaning machine combines excellent performance with agility and stability when in use. What's more, its small size and convenient accessory stowage on the rear make it easy to store in even tight spaces. Comes complete with a gun with safety catch, lance and high-pressure hose, adjustable wash nozzles and more. The washer hose and lance can be secured to the body of the tool to save space during storage. Just connect the hose to the main body correctly and start using the machine. The different angle nozzles remove stubborn dirt, the foam nozzle allows you to apply detergent, and the long hose support the larger operation. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.